I've always looked at it like it could be your last one. You know, your first win could be your last one. Some people never get the win. I'm Jimmy Owens. We drive number 20, 𝗲𝗲𝗿𝘆 Motorsports. We've been around the sport quite a bit. Grew up around racing my whole life. My brother raced and never could afford super late models or nothing like that. So I just put my heart and soul into everything I drove, from a street stock. And then that led up to me being able to drive a modified. Finally got good enough there to where we were winning races and all that stuff, and just led up to a late model ride. But I've never, ever been able to afford this, and still can't. And I've just been fortunate and lucky enough in the right place at the right time to get noticed. I have several favorite moments. You know, one of my first favorite moments, I think it was 2001, maybe we won the national championship with UMP. It was our first 100,000 win championship points deal, and me and Mikey Marler battled that thing out to the very last race. First time we won the World 100, it didn't really mean a whole lot because I felt like I was still a modified racer. And I didn't realize what that meant to everyone else. You know, I mean, we're just racing and putting my heart and soul into trying to win races and not paying attention to what we had just won. And then we get to realize the importance of these races. You know, it worked out that we got to win a lot of them. You know, Dale and I could probably run 100 laps side by side and never touch. You're going to get about 2 corners with these younger guys before they're going to slide you. Something's going to happen there. It's going to be big. Makes for a more exciting race, I guess. A little more fender benders and stuff like that. But I was that young guy doing sliders and tearing people's doors and stuff off. But in the end, you'll realize that doesn't pay the bills as much as it should. Used to be back in the day, I felt like if you got a secret and you won a race, you could keep that under your hat for a little while and you could capitalize on it for several races. And now there's really no more secrets because everybody's basically in the same race car. You just see the best drivers prevail. We've appreciated every win we ever get. You never know if you're going to have a stellar season, a mediocre season, so you just got to cash in on it when you can.